This is Prerna Patil and today we are going to discuss an example for Gauss elimination method. So the question is 10 minus 7, 3, 5, 6 minus 6, 8 minus 1 minus 4, 5, 3, 1, 4, 11, 2, 5 minus 9, 2, 4, 7. Basically it is a matrix for 4 into 5 and we have to find the solution with the help of Gauss elimination method. So in Gauss elimination method we can have some transformations and we can convert a matrix into an easier matrix. So basically for the first step we will apply the transformation for R2, which is R2 minus R1 upon 10 into minus 6. For R3, the transformation will be R3 minus R1 upon 10 into 3. R4 will be R4 minus R1 upon 10 into 5. So, the matrix will be 10 minus 7, 3, 5, 6, 0, 3.8, 0.8, minus 1, 8.6, 0, 3.1, 3.1, 9.5, 0.2, 0, minus 5.5, minus 3.5, 1.5 and 4. Now we have to again apply transformations. The transformation will be R3 gives R3 minus R2 upon 3.8 into 3.1 and R4 will be R4 minus R1 upon 3.8 into 5.5. Okay, so now the matrix will be 10 minus 7, 3, 5, 6, 0, 3.8, 0.8, minus 1, 8.6, 0, 0, 2.45, 10.3, minus 6.62, 0, 0, minus 2.35, 0.06, 16.4. Now we will apply one more transformation. R4 gives R4 minus R3 upon 2.45 into minus 2.35. So the matrix now will be 10 minus 7, 3, 5, 6, 0, 3.8, 0.8, minus 1, 8.6, 0, 0, 2.45, 10.3, minus 6.62, 0, 0, 0, 9.93, 10.1. Basically in Gauss elimination method we have to make all the elements below diagonal elements as 0, and with the help of that we can easily get the values of x, y, z and k. So the equations will be 10x minus 7y plus 3z plus 5k is equals to 0. 3.8y is plus 0.8z minus k is equals to 8.6. Third equation will be 2.45z plus 10.3k is equals to minus 6.62, and the fourth equation will be 9.93k is equals to 10.1, which will give the value of k as 0.017. Putting the value of k as 1.017 in equation 3, we will get the value of z like 2.45z plus 10.3 into 1.017 is equals to minus 6.62. 2.45z is equals to 7.045 and we will get the value of z 17.095 divided by 2.45, that is approximately equal to 7 or 6.9775. Is equals to 7 in equation 2, we will have the value of y. Okay, so 3.8y plus 0.8 into 7 minus 1.017 is equals to 8.6. So the value of y will be 1.42. Putting all the values in equation 1, we will get the value of x, that will be 10x minus 7 into 1.42 plus 3 into 7 plus 5 into 1.017 is equals to 6. 10x minus 9.94 plus 221 plus 5.085 is equals to 6, which will give the value of x, that is minus 1.01, that is approximately equal to 1. So the value of x is 1, y is 1.43, z is 7 and k is 1.017. Thank you.